In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Smartsheet form submissions. If you're managing forms and data within Smartsheet, knowing how to quickly and effectively view these submissions is crucial. The incoming form submissions can be vital for decision-making, project tracking, or any kind of data analysis you're looking to conduct. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can easily access these submissions. When you're working with forms in Smartsheet, all responses from these forms are automatically recorded as new rows in the linked sheet. This seamless integration ensures you're consistently updated with the latest inputs without having to manually sort through emails or cluttered spreadsheets. It's essential to understand that these new form entries are generally appended to the bottom of your spreadsheet. So, if you're eager to check out the latest submissions, your first step should be to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the sheet. Now, it might seem obvious to head to the bottom for the most recent data, but depending on how your sheet has been used previously, those new entries might not appear exactly where you expect them. Sometimes, older rows could have been utilized, filled with data, and subsequently cleared. This could result in your latest form submissions being listed beneath lots of unused or blank rows. So, when you're going through your Smartsheet, make sure to scroll through any clear or empty sections until you reach the very end. This approach is straightforward, especially for smaller sheets. But if your Smartsheet covers a vast amount of data, you might consider utilizing some of Smartsheet's handy tools to speed up the process. For instance, the sorting and filtering options can help you organize the data based on timestamps or other criteria, allowing immediate access to the most recent entries without manually scrolling down. However, keep in mind that while these tools enhance efficiency, knowing where your data naturally lands ensures you always have a backup route to find what you need. To wrap it up, viewing your Smartsheet form submissions is a straightforward task once you know where to look. Ensuring you're regularly checking the end of the sheet helps maintain an up-to-date understanding of the data being collected. As best practice, consider combining manual checks with Smartsheet's more advanced features like filtering and sorting when handling larger datasets. We hope this clear, detailed explanation helps you effectively manage and streamline your data viewing process in Smartsheet.